Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you're new here, you are most highly welcome. So are you actually having a challenge with your back fat? Yeah, okay, recently I've also been dealing with that. Like, I've actually been using this to help me to reduce those back fat, and I decided to share it with you guys. And this is actually an amazing remedy, and it's actually very surprising. Like, you're gonna be like, wow, okay, is it this one? Yeah, trust me, go try this out. And okay, so if you want to see all of the ingredients, please stay put, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And now let me take you right into the video. Alright guys, so to get rid of back fat, we're going to be needing to use pineapple. And before we prepare this, we would have to be sanitizing it, okay? Because we're going to be using the back of the pineapple. Have you actually tried the back of pineapple before? I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be using this. It's going to be very, very helpful. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be rinsing this. Really, really good. And because we're going to be using the back, so I'm going to be using salt to rinse it, okay, in case of any bacteria whatsoever. Alright, so alright, so it's ready, and I'm actually not going to be using all of them. I'm going to be cutting just a little, and I'm going to be using this part which is not very well ripe. Okay, there's a part that is going to be perfect for this. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna grab a clean pot and then put it inside. Yeah, and this is it, guys. It has to be really clean. Okay, so the next ingredient is gonna be lemon. Okay, so our local lemon is usually this green, and this is how it looks like. Sometimes really big, sometimes really small. So using this for this back fat remedy would help to be very, very effective, okay, because lemon is inclusive. So okay, now what we're going to do now is to clean it also. We're equally going to be using apple. Yeah, so apple is actually very important for the body. Now, cooking apple plus other ingredients is going to be superb. Okay, so that's why we need apple for this ingredient. So we're equally going to be washing it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be cutting everything. Okay, so we're going to be cutting it. Okay, so we're now going to be putting it into the pot, and this is how it looks like. And then also we're going to be cutting the apple, and I'm gonna be cutting just half cut of the apple. Now we're equally gonna be needing some ginger, okay? Because ginger is perfect for cold, flu, and catarrh, and it also helps to remove back fats, belly fats, and it works wonders for the skin too. It helps um, for pimples and acne. So we're not going to be needing too much of this. We're just going to be needing this small. So I just finished rinsing it, and now I have to be cutting it. And then you put everything together, okay? So you're going to be needing water. Okay, not too much of water, and this is okay. Okay, so light up the fire, and then I'll allow it to cook for some time, and I'll be back to check it to see how it has been. Okay, so we're gonna be cooking it for 5 minutes, and we'll be back. So I'll allow it cool, and I'll be back. Okay, so now I would have to turn it into the turn it there, and then I'm gonna be putting in apple cider vinegar to make this work really fast, guys. Now, not only your back fat is gonna be gone, your belly too will be gone. Yeah, so try this. You put in 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, and then you stir it all up, and your belly fat, your back fat is ready, guys. You would have to drink this really warm. Okay, so if you're actually breastfeeding, you can skip the apple cider vinegar, but if you're not breastfeeding, if you're like, you know, if you're good right now, then you can put the apple cider vinegar and take it, and it's gonna be awesome, guys. Okay, so try this every evening for 2 weeks, and trust me, take less of those carbohydrate food and less of those fatty food, and this is gonna be working really fine. Yeah, let me have a take, although I'm still breastfeeding, but just a little taste. Okay, so this is it. It's really hot, but it tastes good and it is great. So try this out, and you're not going to regret you did. I am loving it. Okay, but since I'm breastfeeding, I don't want my child, my beautiful daughter, to, you know, slim down. Yeah, when I'm done breastfeeding, then I personally can slim down. Okay, so this is it. Go try it, and you're going to be loving it. Everything in here are natural, and for this particular one, you can, you know, cook it again. You can actually cook it again and have it, enjoy every bit of it. Okay, that's it, guys. That is the back fat remedy that helps so much to flush out all of those fat cells, those stubborn fat cells, and it helps so much to rejuvenate your body and clean your colon. Yeah, so go try this and let me know what you think at the comment section. Okay, all right, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And